Have you ever felt like life is working against you? The harder you try to move forward, the more problems show up. Every door seems to close, and you start thinking, maybe success just isn't for you. But that's the right there. That's the moment a comeback begins. That's the moment you have to prove who you really is. Your power, your mindset, your strength, your courage. And one day, people will say, guess who's back? The same person they kept telling me, you can't do it. Because most of the time, success comes right after failure. The same person people used to laugh back again. Yeah, I'm back. Got a comeback. I never left. I was just quit. I was learning. I was rebuilding myself. There comes a time in life when everything feels like it's against you. You work hard, but nothing seems to happen. You have dreams, but the road looks blocked. People are around, but no one really stand with you. And then one day, you fail. Not just once, but over and over again. Your confidence breaks. Your confidence breaks. Your beliefs start shaking. And people say, I told you already. The person won't make it. But the story doesn't end there. Because the truth is, fell down, got up, stole the show. Yeah, I failed. But I got back up. And now the stage is mine again. Something in life gets straight twist in the story. And a moment that changed everything. Plot twist. I'm the main character now. I'm not a side character. It's someone in your story anymore. This is my story. A lot of people think success comes from talent or luck. But the truth is different. Success usually comes after failure, after every fail, after every day you feel like there's nothing left. And then one day, the harder work you did in silence starts speaking for itself. Creole dramatic music, I'm here. Yeah, I'm back. And this time, I'm not the same person. I'm stronger, smarter, and most importantly, I believe in myself now. Because the change is real. The kind of change that shocked people. I didn't quit. I just rebuilt myself, recharged, and ready march out. I'm more ready than ever. And this time, I'm not stopping. People often think it's someone disappear for a while. They lost, but they don't understand you. Sometimes a person is just gathering strength. I took a break, not a bow. It wasn't giving up. It was preparation, a new beginning, and now that I'm back, I'm stronger, more determined, and most importantly, now I know what I'm capable of. So if you're down now, people are lying at you. If it feels like everything is over, remember this. Great stones always grow through hard chapter. And the most powerful moment is always when the hero returned. And today, back life, I never left.